Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on here and share some of the exciting new changes we've got going on here, over here at the farm. Oh my gosh, Georgia. So first, Shirley and her daughter are going to be going to a new home today. And we've added 3 new goats, well, technically 4, to our herd. This over here is Tabitha. She is a purebred Lamacha. Then over here I've got Cleo, and then her little black and white baby Eclipse, and her little brown baby. And these guys are purebred Nubians. Hi, Cleo. The reason I got her is because she is currently still in milk, and a while back when my mom passed away, I allowed Georgia to dry up because times were hard and it was just too much to try to juggle milking her at the time. But we've really missed having the milk, so I decided to find and buy another goat, standard Nubian, for milk, because I'm in a good spot where I can start milking again. Georgia's not so thrilled about all the new goats in her pen, but she'll get over it. Huh, Georgia? You're not too happy, huh? She's very testy. We are also buying a small herd of hair sheep, about like 10 or so more. Then we are working on fencing off our acre property, and then the sheep will just be roaming the full piece. The goats will stay pinned up, because if you know anything about goats, they'll constantly be trying to get in my rabbit colony to get the rabbit pellets and hay. They'll constantly be trying to get in my chicken runs, trying to get the grain. So these guys will stay pinned up, but we are planning on expanding their pen, making it bigger. Everything's just a work in progress. But even slow progress is still progress. Hey, Georgia. It's just super moody and cloudy. Lighting is terrible right now trying to record. But Cleo is the mom, and then Eclipse is the little white and black baby, and then this little brown one I am actually giving to my sister for a milk goat. But I just wanted to show you guys the newest additions, talk a little bit about our plans for the next little bit. Hopefully we'll be able to get the acre fenced off as soon as possible. Shirley's going to her new home today, and her daughter, wherever she's at. Let me see if I can find her. There she is. She's out wandering in the sagebrush. But they're going to their new home today, and I'm just moving away from any small breed goats. Georgia here will be my smallest goat, being a mini Nubian. But I'm keeping her. She's the boss around here. Huh, Georgia? You're the boss, huh, girl? You know it too, you sassy bum. And then I will have 2 more standard sized goats right there, so she's just gotta go find a new farm. Georgia, stop! Stop it. See her attitude? She's just wanting to be fed. I'm gonna go get them some food now. Hi, Tabby. This is little Tabitha. She's so sweet too. These guys are all so sweet and pretty. Here's the situation we've got going on in the broody nest box. We've got the original Silky back there. We've got the Muscovy duck that's decided to set as well. Now we've got this little girl in here, Val, deciding to join around the same time that I put eggs in my incubator at my house. And I had a chick hatch yesterday in my incubator, so these guys should have babies any day now. I'm gonna be moving them to a different little pen so that the rest of the flock doesn't eat their babies, because they do that sometimes. But yeah, I just thought it's kind of funny. Now Val is joined in there. There we go. They always get so happy when I give them hay to scratch around in. Give them some alfalfa hay. They like to scratch through it and eat all the leaves. And it's actually really good for them too. Look at that purple. That's so pretty. I've also got some of these ruined duck eggs in my incubator. I've got, I think, 3 of them that made it to lockdown out of 6. So I might have some little ducklings as well in the next couple days. And Muscovies. I think that's Huffy back there, and she has some Muscovy duck eggs under her, so. Anyway, the sun just came back out after being real cloudy and moody and raining for like 5 minutes. It's raining over there. Look how angry and moody the sky looks right now. Real moody. So I better get these guys fed before it starts pouring out here. Now it's sunny again. Bipolar weather. But I'm gonna end the video